Before we dive in, subscribe to learn how to start and run your remote business today. So you got awesome merchandise, and you finally have some customers. But shipping is foreign territory to you, and you don't want to lose them. So what's the best option to send your product to your customers? What's the best way to track your customers' packages efficiently? And how do you send your product to your customers quicker and cheaper? Let VirtualPostMail take the burden of shipping off your plate. How does our package forwarding service work? Your incoming packages are processed into your VPM account the same day they're received. All shipment requests are processed and shipped within 1 business day. You can save money by consolidating, have your mail tracked, and add insurance for security and peace of mind for you. And you have the flexibility of choosing your shipment method and courier. Package forwarding is a perfect complement to your online mailbox. Ready to get started? Learn more about package forwarding today.